Hi, this is Claire for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, we'll create a flow containing the Asset Export Outcome node in runtime mode. If you don't know what an Asset Export Outcome node is, make sure you check out the previous tutorial titled Understanding the Asset Export Outcome node. Great, let's go. First, drag and drop the Asset Export Outcome node into your workspace. Double-click the node to display the Properties Slideout panel. On the Device drop-down field of the Properties Slideout panel, choose a Catenis virtual device. Add the node's configuration information to each field of the Properties Slideout panel based on your needs. Then, wire this node to a debug node. Next, drag and drop an inject node into the Node-RED workspace. Wire the inject node to the Asset Export Outcome node and double-click the inject node to open its Properties Slideout panel. Alter the information in the inject node's Properties Slideout panel by selecting the drop-down Payload field and choose the JSON type. An ellipse button will appear to the right of the field. Click this ellipse button to display a JSON edit box. Enter the JSON information you wish to pass as an input to the Catenis node, for example, something like this. After entering your JSON text entry, click the red Done button. Click the Done button again to exit the Properties dialog box. Click the red Deploy button on the upper right-hand side of the Node-RED dashboard to deploy this flow. Now let's test the flow. Click the Inject node button to send the input from the Inject node through the flow. The debug sidebar should display the returned JSON object containing the API call results to the right side of the workspace. Excellent! Now, you should be able to use the Asset Export Outcome node in your own flow in runtime mode. In our next tutorial, you'll learn how to use this node in interactive mode.